Pudding, and today I'm gonna be doing my makeup, a basic look, just like a nice basic look. Okay, so before we get into it, I'm just gonna tell you to like, subscribe, comment, and hit the bell. And hope you have a good time. Okay, first, we're gonna do some powder. Any shade is what is yours. You don't have to use mine. And you're gonna take any brush, but I prefer a big brush. But yeah. Okay, and you put it on your face. Well, of course. And tell me if you put it over your lips or not. But I do so. But tell me if you guys do. Okay. And this is done. And I'll show you the brushes you need. This is one of them. You have a brush. Then you can either use powder blush, but I have, what's it called? A blush stick, yes. And cover off. This is how I put it on. You can go as much as you want up. You can just go. And yeah. Then you can mix it with your hands like this. Until you think it looks good. To me, I sometimes like to blend my brush up too. So, that looks nice too. And next, we can do eyeshadow. I'm not guessing. This is actually what I do. I just forgot. Dang. And these are, these are my colors I'm sticking. So I'm personally going to use the lightest one because I'm not feeling much today. So I'm going to use this brush. It's just like a nice big brush that you can use for anything really. That's what it looks like on. Now it's time to do the other side. Okay, I think that's enough, but yeah, that's good. And yes, this, and you can use this brush that you can grab lipstick or lip gloss. I told you, I'm not feeling much, so I'm just gonna use a nice glittery clear lip gloss. I actually like this one. I do this with lip gloss, but that's how I like mine. So all you need is powder, blush, eyeshadow, and lip gloss or lipsticks to make a nice, and brushes. A big brush and a medium brush. And that's all. Have a good day. See you next time I make a video. Bye. Peace out.